Bird Partners by Jamie Rowley. In the animal world, birds often partner with mammals. The mammal's coat or hide is filled with bugs that birds eat. Sitting on mammals, the birds can eat as much as they please. Giraffes, rhinos, and elk may have bird partners. Capybaras have bird partners too. A capybara is a mammal like these other animals. It stands about 18 inches tall and has soft, dark fur. The capybara has a big head and stumpy tail. It looks a lot like a big hamster. It lives in marshes, ponds, and rivers where birds also live. A capybara spends almost all of its life in the water or very close to water. It can stay underwater like a hippo so that just its eyes, ears, and nose show. This soggy hiding place keeps the capybara safe from wild dogs and cats, snakes, and other land animals that want to eat it. When it is moving, the capybara wades in the water close to the shore. There, it can eat all the green plants it pleases. A bird that partners with a capybara picks small bugs from the mammal's fur. The bird picks its scabs and cuts. This does not seem to hurt the capybara at all. It can even sleep while it gets groomed. A capybara will be close partners with any bird that it pleases. Such birds include small tick birds and big black turkey vultures. Birds that partner with a capybara will stick close to their partner. They will ride on the capybara's head as it swims. These birds will ride on its back as it splashes in and out of the water. A capybara in danger will cry out with a gruff bark as a warning. A partner bird will jump up and follow. Its sharp calls and flapping wings help scare off enemies. If you're ever exploring on the banks of the Amazon River, watch for a bird that seems to be standing on the top of the water. If you take a close look, you may also see the shiny eyes of the capybara staring back at you.